Greetings, future scholars of America. Mr. Barfield here with your last phrases video. This is verbals part 3, infinitives and infinitive phrases. Feel free to pause, rewind, fast forward at any time to have the best notes possible. We're going to kick things off with an Easter egg just to keep you on your toes. Riddle, what gets wetter as it dries? All right, moving on. An infinitive is a verb form that is usually preceded by the word to and is used as either a noun, adjective, or an adverb. Note, when you use the word to before the base form of a verb, to is not functioning as a preposition, but part of the infinitive form of the verb. It's important to remember as we go forward. So if an infinitive were to be acting as a noun and take the place of a subject in a sentence, it would look like this. To stand can be uncomfortable. All right. You'll know it's functioning as a noun because you can replace it with it or somebody or that, something else like that. To stand. Infinitives can also function as adjectives. Birds have an instinct to fly. To fly describes the instinct. Infinitives can also be adverbs. I am happy to run. To run is describing the adjective happy. Now, an infinitive phrase is just an infinitive plus any complements or modifiers that you throw in there. So, for example, we decided to sail across the lake. The whole phrase is to sail across the lake. To sail is the infinitive. Across the lake is a modifier or complement to sail. This is this infinitive phrase functioning as a noun, adjective, or adverb? If you answered adverb, you would be correct because it is describing the verb decided. Note! Infinitives can sometimes be confused with prep phrases. To tell the diff, see if the word following to is a verb or a noun and a pronoun. If it's a verb, it's an infinitive. If it's a noun or a pronoun, then it is a preposition. Look, it's so important I put it in twice. Don't get confused. All right, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.